We come from a time of uncertainty, when no buildings could reach the sky, only men filled with dreams. Generations before us touched the ground we now stand on. But some things never change, from the past to the present. That dream to live more.
One day, it will be a metropolis.
Through time, we progressed, reached beyond and further than we could. A place slowly molded and crafted into a home people once dreamed of. A dream we still have. Like the river, it continues flowing. And as long as it does, there will always be life. Moments to Riviere.